All right, so next project is we're going to build these two Birdies beds right here. We're going to build them, get them sort of level. Well, we're going to build them, then we're going to consult with my wife on exact placement, and then we will level them, and then we will fill the bottom half with old dirt. And then if there's time, we will add amendments to the dirt and stir it up. But really the soil prep for the Birdies beds will probably be next weekend. But here we go, we're going to build these two beds right here. These T-posts were running through our woods from back before this was a neighborhood. This was some sort of grazing ground or something, and there's an electric fence running all through our woods. Not electrified anymore, obviously, but we wanted them gone, so got an angle grinder, dug them all up early this spring, this winter, and then we just dumped them here because we figured we could use them for something, but I don't know what, so we got to get them out of the way now. I'm gonna cut this box up for shredding as I am doing this. Whew, man, I tell you, other Birdies beds YouTube assemblies don't show the tedious peeling off of all this plastic, so you heard it here first. This stuff is, it's not terrible. I've had worse plastic, but it's not pleasant. It is a chore, and I gotta do 16 pieces total, so let's get going. The second one of these, see, they're all supposed to have holes, pretty regular spots, but this is the second one here I've come across that the hole isn't fully punched out. So I don't know if that's gonna make a difference, but I just thought I'd mention it. All right, well, we peeled an entire Birdies bed. It's actually 10 pieces. I strongly suspect this would be easier if I just do both of them, do all the peeling before I do all the assembly, because I'm in the zone with this task. So that's what I'm gonna do. Open that one up, cut up the cardboard, make more cardboard for the shredder, and then assemble that one, or take all the plastic out of that one before I start the assembly. Woo, what fun! All right, well, I've placed these, and I'm trying to see if they are centered and even. They look like it. I think this one could maybe go over a little bit, like an inch to the left. Yeah. Ooh, put 2 rivets in each one of them, so I have a couple hundred rivets to do on all of them. It's exhausting. If I had it to do all over again, I would have done it over on the concrete pad and used my wheel stool, because while these beds are going to be great for not having to bend over while gardening, it's a lot of bending over to put all these rivets in. So I'm going to try and use a garden chair now for the rest of it. But yeah, it's a lot of work. It's tedious. But that's why you guys get to watch it in time lapse. That's why we do time lapse, to look back later and think that like we were having fun. All right, I got my socket. So when I need to tighten them all, I got a socket from the socket set. But first I'm gonna put in the loose rivets, all of them, get them on their nuts, get the whole thing loose, and then I'll do all the tightening. All right, we're done. That was quite a task. I would not characterize it as difficult. The people on YouTube, such as Epic Gardening, that said it was not hard, were not lying. It's tedious as all get out, but you just got to power through. I mean, it's not like I have any skills other than managing internet companies. So, you know, if a guy like me with no skills and a bad back can put them together, you're probably good to go. It is, however, dinner time. So adding the soil and all that is going to be for the next video. Take care. Thanks.